Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Your Startup Guide, 2022. The affiliate marketing industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry with exciting professional opportunities for creators. Amongst those billions of people now buying things online, a WINS review of affiliate marketing in 2021 showed that by April, 37% of people were buying products through affiliate links. How affiliate marketing works. How to start affiliate marketing. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing? How much can you make as a new affiliate marketer? Earn passive income with successful affiliate marketing. In exchange for recommending products or services to their audience, they get a commission off of any sales that result in their referral. After you choose an affiliate marketing program, you'll receive a unique link or code that will allow the companies to track every customer you send their way. Regardless, here's how the standard affiliate program works. Find relevant affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketers often have special training or experience in a specific niche. Creating on platforms you already understand will help you create content that connects with your audience and drives affiliate sales. The FTC's endorsement guides. What people are asking. You may not bring in that sort of money right at the jump, but there is real potential for affiliate marketing to replace your 9-to-5. Pat Flynn, for example, reported to Business Insider that he earns up to $170,000 per month thanks to the affiliate marketing business.